Hey, hey YouTube. Today I'm going to show you my Heretic Dragon Ruler deck profile. Yeah, I play this deck, and so it's great, nice combo. Uh, okay, I'll start. First, I have three Blaster, three Tempest, two Redox, two Burner, two Lightning, two Reacton. Yeah, that's my elemental dragons. For Hieroglyph, it's Trishu, to Tefni, to Nepite, um, to Asset, to What Dragons, yeah, then to Baylor, one Red Eyes Darkness Metal Dragon, one Light and Darkness Dragon, Debris Dragon, and Necrophase for your Vanish cards. For spell cards, I have two Super Rejuvenations, two Hieroglyph Seal of Gathering, one Sarcophagus, one 7-star Sword, one Reborn, and one Heavy Storm. For my trap card, I only play one Return from Different Dimension for my Banish, so that I can special summon them during my turn or my opponent's turn, and I can exceed summon. No, and if it's my opponent's turn, uh, my monster is not removed from play. Instead it returns to my hand because they pick up the elemental dragons. Yeah. For my extra deck, I play um, to make up Phantom Beast Dracosac, to number 11 Big Eye, to Hieroglyph King Atomus, Gaia the Thunder Charger, and one Potent Strike Monster. And for my Synchro, Starform Dragon, Trident Dragon, Stardust Dragon, Jewel Flare Dragon, Stardust, Black Rose Dragon, and Armory Arm. And that's all. It's my Heretic Heretic Dragon Ruler deck. So thanks YouTube. I hope you enjoy.